Do you know, it's funny because life is just like this jar of screws. It's a weird mix of lots of little things all jumbled up with no clear starting point. And whether it's in your workshop or in your everyday life, clutter, either physical or mental, can make us feel stuck. But here's the great part. By getting the little things organised, everything else becomes so much easier.
Welcome to Steve Bell Creates. This video is sponsored by PCB. Over the last 3 months, I've ripped out my old workshop to make way for a new one that is warmer, more inviting, and one that inspires me to be more creative. As I gradually bring tools and supplies back into the workshop, I'm so conscious to avoid a clutter-filled environment. For me, clutter gets in the way of the most important things, both in the workshop and in life. So today, it's all about removing the clutter of the little things. The things that we can't be without, but the same little things that distract us, that irritate us, and strangely enough, these are the little things that are never where you last left them. Today, it's all about creating systems. Systems that bring clarity, calm, and control, not just to your workshop, but to your life. Clutter isn't just a mess. It's a little thief that steals your precious time and energy. Every moment spent hunting for that elusive screw or trying to recall where you left something is like carrying an invisible backpack full of bricks. Organising small parts isn't just about tidying up. It's about liberating yourself from the constant distraction of disorder. Because when the little things are sorted, you create room for the big, wonderful things that matter most. Think about the last time something went missing, just when you needed it most. How much time did you spend on the hunt? How did it make you feel? That teeny bit of frustration can really add up. By creating order in small areas like your workspace, you're actually setting the stage for a more productive and peaceful day. And who doesn't want that? Time is a precious commodity, and once it's gone, it's gone. And sadly, there's no way you can buy any more of it. Everything begins with a decision. And here, that decision is to take control. To stop working around mess, and to start working with intention. For this project, I considered several ways to tackle it. From spending time crafting a custom system to suit me, to finding a more simple approach. Inspired by a fantastic video by Alexandre Chappel, I snagged his plans and adapted them slightly. In doing so, I cut down on stress and decision fatigue, and saved myself heaps of precious time. Remember, simplicity is about seeing potential in what's already around you. This mindset doesn't just simplify projects, it simplifies life. This is much more than just organising your space. You're shaping how you navigate your day. Systems provide freedom by eliminating decision fatigue. And once in place, you don't have to think about where things go, you just know. And in life, it's the same. Without structure, we waste time, energy, and focus. Organisation isn't just about cleanliness. It's about something much more important than that. It's about clarity. Think of these cases as the foundation of organisation. Just like in life, a good foundation, whether it's strong habits, routines, or values, keeps everything else in order. When your workshop has a clear system, you don't waste energy second-guessing where things go. And when your life has a structure, you free up the mental space for the things that matter the most. The same way a well-structured life allows you to focus on what truly matters. Think about your commitments and your goals. When you organise your time the same way we organise our tools, everything becomes easier to manage. A well-organised workshop lets you focus on creation instead of frustration. This is about so much more than just storage. It's about intentionality. It's easy to let the things in life pile up. To react instead of plan. But when you create systems, whether it's for your tools or for your time, you gain control. You stop reacting and start directing. Here's where things get truly customized. Each box is labelled for a specific item. By my beautiful, patient assistant. Just as each screw and nail needs its own designated box, every priority in life needs its own space. Trying to keep everything in one overwhelming pile only leads to stress and inefficiency. But when you assign a purpose to each thing, life moves just that bit more smoothly. And while I'm sorting out this box, which is a jumbled mess of everything, I'd like to talk about the sponsor of today's video, PCBWare. PCBWare have a great, fun, interactive website. As you can see, they offer a great range of services, including CNC machining and 3D printing. If you want something 3D printing, just upload your file, choose your materials and your colour, they will make it and deliver it to your door. And it's all backed up by PCBWare's great customer service. Thanks PCBWare. I've left a link to the website in the description below. Thanks PCBWare. Now back to me sorting those screws out. So now we need to make a system for a system. Measure twice, cut once. It's a simple rule, but it goes far beyond woodworking. Rushing leads to mistakes. In the workshop and in life. When we slow down, we plan and act with precision. We reduce waste of materials, of effort, and most importantly, of time. So now we're organising what we've already organised. It might sound unnecessary, but believe me, it's not. The more systems we have in place in our life, in our workshop, just makes things so much easier. Because without systems and structure, life can become overwhelming. Believe me, I know all about that. But when we build a system that supports us, everything falls into place. So here's my friendly challenge to you. What's the one small area of your life? Your workshop? Your desk? Or maybe even your calendar that feels cluttered or overwhelming? It would be great if you could share those with me in the comments below. And if life feels cluttered or overwhelming, remember, start small like I did with this project, and create a system for yourself that brings you peace. It doesn't have to be perfect, just intentional. You'll be truly amazed at how one small step can spark much bigger changes. This isn't just about a tidier workshop. It's about freedom. When your space is cluttered, your mind is cluttered. But when you create order, you make room for creativity, for productivity, and for peace of mind. Think about how much time is wasted searching for misplaced tools, lost papers, and forgotten tasks. Organisation gives you that time back. It allows you to focus on the things that bring true value, instead of constantly playing catch-up. Just like the workshop needs designated spaces for every tool, your life needs designated spaces for work, for rest, and for growth. Without those clear distinctions, things bleed into each other. And before you know it, stress takes over. So, simplify your workshop. Simplify your life. Because when everything has a place and systems replace chaos, you don't just work better, you live better. It all starts here in the small moments and in the simple decisions. Organisation isn't about perfection. It's about intention, and intention changes everything. So Take control. Simplify your space. Simplify your time. Simplify your life. And watch how everything else starts to fall into place. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.